Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today's video is sponsored by CelieHair.com. They were kind enough to send me over their headband wig in 20 inches. This is my first ever headband wig. Like, it's the most easiest thing I've ever done as far as my hair goes. Like, y'all, headband wig is the new thing. Like, I was missing out. Why didn't y'all tell me? Why didn't y'all say, Day, y'all, you need to try a headband wig? Because shout out to Celie here for seeing your girl and be like, she need to try a headband wig. I didn't have to stress about my edges or nothing, y'all. Nothing. Okay, so I love that for myself. And the thing I love about this hair the most is that you can get multiple styles out of one do. You know what I'm saying? So I can wear it up. I showed y'all towards the end of the video how you can style it in different ways. Love that for me. So I will leave the link to Celie hair website down below, as well as the direct link to this hair, so that you can check them out. Let them know that your girl BrightAsDae sent you. Use this coupon code. If you want to see how I install this wig and achieve this look, please keep on watching. So of course I got some goodies. So here's the box that the hair came in. I got a bag to store the hair in. I got a headband. This was the only one I got. I really like this, so I ended up using it for the video. Got some clips, an edge brush, some lashes, a comb, caps that I already opened it, and a bomb bonnet. I love this bonnet so much. They also gave all of their social media, so follow them at Celie Hair. And they also gave a pamphlet with all of their hair care instructions. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here is the wig. I've never installed a headband wig before. It's my first time. My hair is in braids, so hopefully it's far enough back so that I can still have a little bit of edges showing and everything like that. I went in for my girls with edges that are unmanageable. I went in with this HEADBAND 24-hour edge control. It really works for me. Yeah, this is the ultra super hold, and it works for this. I think it'll work. So for the headband wig, it comes with a band. Obviously it's like a velcro. Feels secured enough. I feel like we're showing enough in the front, like if you were wearing a headband, so that's great. I was a little worried about my braids, but that's awesome. Yeah, the hair is really soft. I automatically know that I'm gonna put some curls in it just to give it a bit more volume. It seems like it's in body wave. So it's in body wave, as you can see. I'm not experiencing any shedding at all. This is probably the easiest thing I've ever put on. Like, if you were okay with your curls like this, like, you could have just gone out. But I am just gonna style it a little bit. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing like a up part, like a half up, half down type of. Maybe I need to make this tighter. I don't know. I need to check the density on this, y'all, because it seems a little thin. You can throw this bad boy in a ponytail. Like, I love this. I feel like this could be perfect for the gym. For my girls who be in the gym. Haven't been in there lately, but you know, I'm going back. I'm going to take my Referral curling wand. I am going to curl the hair just to give it a little bit more volume. I don't know. It's a little thin for my liking, but like I said, I don't know what a headband wig is supposed to feel like. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm gonna throw some curls in there. Hopefully that gives us a little bit more volume. But y'all, this is the easiest wig I've ever installed. The longest thing in this, honestly, was my makeup. And that didn't even take me that long, but still, like, the fact this is perfect for my girls that are on the go. I honestly wish I had tried this wig out before Christmas, and I probably would have got my mom one for Christmas, because my mom is a nurse and she just be on the go, and I feel like this wig is perfect for somebody like her who just needs to be on the go. Just throw it on real quick. You don't need to be no wig person to throw this on. Like, it's just like you're applying a headband to your head, but it got hair attached to it. And y'all, if I sound very nasally or sick, that's because I am. Coronavirus got me, y'all. Sleep alone, by my phone all the time. Check my phone, already knowing this drive. Fake friends ain't Alright, so this is how one side looks with the curl. I'm gonna just go ahead off camera and curl the other part. Okay guys, so I did go in and curl the rest of the hair and tighten the band a little bit. So I'm gonna use the headband that Celie hair actually sent, because this is the only headband I got.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
Alright guys, so this hair, I love it so much. This is the final product. I decided to just put some loose curls in it a little bit, give it a little, you know, oomph to the oomph. Yeah, obviously the curls aren't as uniform because I just like a messy curly look, and that's just my preference. But this is how the hair came out, really nice and easy to install. Love the headband. I think I'm gonna buy some more headbands to, like, you know, switch up the look a little bit more. But it's very versatile, so you can wear it down if you want to. You can definitely do like a messy updo. Obviously do yours better than mine. I'm just playing around. This is another style that you can do. You can even put it in a bun. Put it in a messier bun, a messy bun for my girls who'll be working out, stuff like that. Let me just clip it. I'm just using stuff that's closest to me to like style it, to show y'all the versatility of this wig. Love to see it. This is for all the girls that love hair down, you know, hanging. This is for the girls who like hair in a bun. This is for the girls who like a high ponytail, half up, half down. This wig is for you, sis. Okay, I love the versatility of it. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna be like a new headband wig queen now, because y'all, waking up in the morning to do your hair to go to work, this is perfect. Again, thank you to Celie here for reaching out to your girl and sponsoring this video. I will leave all the links to their website and also to the specific wig down in the description box for you to check it out. And I'll see y'all girls in my next video. Bye y'all.